Guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Athri and I hope you all are doing great. So welcome back to my channel. I make videos related to beauty, skincare, lifestyle. I'm sure you don't want to miss on these good stuff, so go and explore my channel, and if you like it, make sure to subscribe. Let's make this a fam to 10k. Let's do it, guys, because at 10k I will be doing a huge giveaway, I promise that. Now without any further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, today I'm going to talk about very special oil, that is moringa seed oil. So I have been doing these type of videos where I am explaining you the uses of a particular oil. I have done so many videos in past. Today I have with me the Kama Ayurveda moringa seed oil, and this is anti-pollution and hydrating facial oil. This is cold press and pure. Before moving towards the product itself, let's talk about the brand, which is Kama. So Kama is an authentic beauty brand which offers 100% natural oils and many other products which are known for their efficacy and goodness. It is 100% pure and it is PETA certified brand. I'm going to also pop up some great benefits of this particular brand and what are the toxins that they don't use in their particular brand. So we all know Kama because Kama is so popular here in India and people use it so much, and they have given positive reviews. So yeah, that's about the brand. Now let's get started with the product. First of all, let's see what is moringa oil. So moringa is a very age old technology. So old people also used to apply this on their skin to get rid of the age marks, or to prevent themselves from premature aging, or to prevent themselves from sun damage. So this particular oil has been there in the market since very earlier times, but as we know that with so many products we forget about these products. But if I talk about moringa oil, it is an oil which has amazing benefits for your skin, and moringa is like, it is found in India like anything. Every other plant you see is moringa. The hydrating oil that helps repair skin damage caused by pollution. It's a light oil extracted from the seeds of moringa, and it is a cold press oil rich in antioxidants and vitamin E and A. Protects skin by fighting free radicals, high content of oleic acid, and it makes your skin deeply nourishing and hydrating. It makes your skin a deeply hydrating and nourishing. And the texture of the oil is not very thick, it's not very thin, you can see, and it has so many health benefits. Your skin looks so glowy after this. Now, how I like to use this oil is that I apply this oil on my face, keep it for 20 minutes and then wash it. And if you see the manual also, it is also written there that you have to just apply it for 20 minutes and wash it. Now again, this particular brand Kama, they do not use harmful chemicals, or they don't have a fragrance to their product. So this product smells a little peculiar. It's not a very pleasant smell, but yeah, it is not very bad either, so you can tolerate the smell. That is why they say that you just apply it for 20 minutes and you wash it off. It feels a little bit heavy, not very heavy, but if you are a dry skin family, I'm sure you will love this because the texture of the oil and the glow it provides, it's immense. So it is a boon for dry as well as normal to oily skin people. Along with the face, you can also use this oil on your body, keep it for 30 minutes and then take your bath, and this will be the perfect thing for dry skin people. And also if you have very dry flakes, so you apply it beforehand for 30 minutes and then you wash it off, you will get nourished and hydrated skin, and that will glow from inside. Okay guys, now talking about the packaging, this is how the outer carton looks like. So it has a very nice print. It has all the leaves of moringa printed all over. It looks very pretty, and all the instruction and everything, ingredient list, all of it is mentioned right here. And the ingredient they have used is only moringa seed oil. This is moringa oleifera, and this is known to be moringa seed oil. And directions and what this product claims, everything is written over here. And this particular product is 100% organic. So they haven't used any other fillers or chemicals. So that is the outer packaging. Now talking about the inner packaging, it comes in a tube bottle. This bottle is of plastic and you can see it has a nozzle like this, which can be secured using this much, and it has a pump packaging, so you can just squirt out whatever amount of product you require. So I really like the packaging. It does not have the dropper kind of thing, which I am not a very big fan of, because I feel the dropper thing sometimes it does not work. So this is very good that they have provided a pump over here, so it is very easy. You can directly apply on your face as well. So I am very happy with the packaging as well. This particular product has a shelf life of 2 years, so you can use this particular oil for 2 years from its manufacturing date. Guys, that was about it. I highly recommend this particular oil because it is such a good oil and it is not very heavy, and it does what it claims. It makes your skin, it builds up your skin's barrier and makes your skin pretty much glowing. It helps in preventing the age lines and also the damage from sun. So my opinion, I would really recommend you this particular oil. I had like really good time using this oil. Particularly I apply it at night and wash it off at after 20 minutes only. It just gives my skin that hydrated glow. Guys, that was about it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to give this particular video a thumbs up and comment if you have already used any moringa oil, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care and I love you guys a lot. Love you. Bye bye.